Alright.
One,
Gotta get that fucking cinnamon
two,
spoonful. She got this shit.
3.
She got this shit.
Go.
Can you do it? Oh shit, she's really trying to swallow that shit. Oh shit. It might taste cinnamon, I'm not gonna lie. I taste it.
Yes, it, baby.
Oh, shit. Just threw that shit up.
How do you run up so easily?
It's stuck in my mouth.
Y'all are so calm about it. Y'all are fucking calm. You feel like Satan. Please stop.
Oh, shit, yeah.
That juicy shit.
Oh my god, it's amazing. You need to run to the bathroom when Nikisha and follow you around.
There's some mouthwash there.
Yeah, you want some mouthwash? Go, girl, go get it.
In a minute, hold
No,
on.
it's funner when someone go get it. Carrie has to go get it. Scrape it out, Carrie. Shit. Come on, let's follow her.
Go get that shit.
Damn, she's running. Get up with it.
No.
Oh shit, not that towel, but that's alright.
on my face. Wait, this isn't mouthwash yet. Wait, that's like body wash. Wait, is it not?
No, it's fucking bot. Look, mouthwash.
Oh my god. Where's your body?
Go ahead, girl, get your
Sorry, where's your mouthwash?
mouthwash. I swear. I swear it's mouthwash. I
Okay.
swear it's mouthwash.